Welcome to another training session of the TIA portal. In today's session, we are going to see how we can make a small sequence for the homing of the servo axis. So let's see the logic for the today's tutorial. In the network number one, we have logic to start the homing sequence. So as we turn on this bit M3.0, it will latch on the start homing command M3.1. So when this command is on the positive edge, it will set on this jog reverse bit and our servo axis will start to jog in the reverse direction. So as the axis reaches the home sensor and passes it, and on the negative edge, it will reset this jog reverse command and set this delay before forward jog bit M3.7. So here we have a timer for 2 seconds. As we turn on this bit, it will start this timer for 2 seconds. So once the timer is over, at that moment on the positive edge, it will set on the forward jog bit and our axis will start to jog in the forward direction. And again, it passes the home sensor and our axis is jogging in the forward direction. And as the axis passes the sensor on the negative edge again, it will reset this forward jog command and at the same moment and it will send a homing request to the MC home block. And this will make the value of our servo motor encoders 0. In parallel, we reset this jog command, our servo axis stop at that position. So as we turn on this bit, with the negative edge, it will be turned on for only one PLC cycle. At that moment, on the positive edge, it will reset all of these commands. And in parallel, we insert this stop homing request, this M3.6 bit. What it will do, it will reset this homing command here and also all of these commands as well. In case if during the homing sequence, we want to stop this homing sequence. So this is the logic for the today's tutorial. Let's see how does it works with the simulation. So as we turn on this bit M3.0, you can see that it has latched on M3.1 bit. And on the rising edge of this bit, our reverse jog command is on and our axis start to jog in the reverse direction. Now as it comes near to this home sensor, as soon as it leaves this sensor, it on the negative edge, it resets this reverse jog command and turn on this delay before forward jog command. Now as the 2 seconds are over, on the positive edge, set this forward jog command and our axis start to jog in the forward direction. Now again, when this axis reaches this I2.1 home sensor, and on the negative edge, it reset everything and sent this MC home request for the one PLC cycle to the servo drive. So this is how we can properly make a homing sequence for the servo axis.